Hi guys, welcome to Think IoT Solutions. So today we are going to take up a video on array indexing. I'll just open the software, that is Python idle. And in the last tutorial we have seen about tuples, lists and strings. So we'll just go into a little bit detail on the array indexing part. So let's say I define an array variable a and then I store a string in it. So therefore a contains hello. So now if I want to access the individual characters of this particular string, then I have to use something called as indexing. So I'll just write it down here. So it is indexing and this is how it works. So let's say if I just say a of 0, that is the index starts from 0. So if I want to access the first character of that particular string, then I just type a of 0 and press enter. So I'll be getting h. In the similar way, if I type a of 1, I'll be getting an e, and so on. So because the indexing is starting at 0, it will end to n minus 1. That is, if a has got a total number of characters as 5, then the array indexing will end at 4. So if I want to just print the last one or the last character, then I'll just say a of 4, which will give me o. Now Python also supports negative indexing. That is, if I give a of minus 1, so when I give a of minus 1, the output will be o. That is, the array will start from the right side. Similarly, if I give a of 2 or a of minus 2, then you'll get L. So you can access the string from the other side also. So this particular advantage is not there in C language, but Python also accepts the negative indexing. Now if you want to add some part of this and you want to combine a new string, then you can do that. So if you take another variable b, which is equal to, you can just say a of 0 plus a of 3 plus a of minus 1, for example. So when you do this, and if I want to see what is stored in b, then you see it is h, l and o, because the h is the index at a of 0, a of 3 has got l, and a of minus 1 has got o. So yesterday in this in the Python tutorials video, we were also seeing about the colon operator. So if I want to create another variable, so let's say I want to create C, I'm using a colon operator like 1 colon 4. So when I do that, the indexing will start at the position 1 and it will go up till 4. Sorry. So I have to just use C equal to a of 1 colon 4. So now if I print C, you can see that the result is ELL. Right? So this way you can just combine or you can remove a particular string. So let's say if I give a equal to how are you. So let's say if I want to just remove u from this particular string, then I have to just count it from 0 including the spaces 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So therefore it is starting from 8 and then I'll have to go till 11. So if you see like this, you can extract a part of string, and if you want to add this particular string to another variable, so basically you can just say d is equal to you can say a of 8 colon 11 and then you add it to some other string. So when you say print, so you will get that particular string. So this colon operator is very useful whenever you want to extract a part of a string or a list or a tuple. So yes, in the previous video we have seen about the tuples and the list. So the same particular syntax can be applied for a tuple and a list. So I can just create a list variable here. So I'll just say list is equals to, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just with comma separated values. And you can see that the list is to be created with a square bracket. So if I just use a list variable and then I give list of 2:4, then it starts at the indexing 2 and it goes to 4 minus 1. So you will get the values at list 2 and list 3, that is index position 2 and 3. So you can see that the list index position 0 is nothing but 1 and index position 1 is 2. So that way we have stored. So therefore list of 2:4 will be 3 comma 4. So in the next tutorial we'll see about the control flow statements. Thank you.